Hello everyone. Today I'm heading out on a truly amazing walking tour through one of Vietnam's most recognizable and beautiful cities, Da Nang. Right now I'm standing on the banks of the Han River, and today I want to take you along with me from the city's most romantic spot, Lovers Street, all the way across the world famous Dragon Bridge. The weather today is just perfect. The sun is shining and the vibes are great. So we're starting our walk at the so-called Love Bridge, or rather the Lovers Pier. Just look at how beautiful it is here. All along the waterfront, they've installed these interesting poles, topped with red, heart-shaped lanterns. Local couples and tourists alike come here to enjoy the river view and hang padlocks on the railings with their names engraved as a sign of eternal love. It's just like Paris, but with a unique Asian flair. Right nearby, there are these beautiful multi-deck boats and yachts docked. At night, the place is buzzing with life as restaurants and clubs open up. And by the way, this exact spot offers a stunning view of Da Nang's modern skyscrapers over there on the opposite bank. Let's keep walking along the promenade, and right in front of us looms another symbol of the city. It's the statue of the carp turning into a dragon. You know, according to Asian mythology, this carp showed incredible perseverance. It jumped through all the heavenly gates and earned the right to become a powerful dragon. For the locals, it's a vital symbol of luck, prosperity, and determination. It's a great photo op, by the way. And right behind the statue, we can already see our main destination. There it is, the majestic Dragon Bridge, or Khao Rong. Just look at the scale of it. The massive golden dragon head rises proudly above the road, looking straight toward the East Sea. The length of this bridge, get this, is a full 666 meters. It's not just a transport artery connecting the two banks of the Han River. It's a true architectural pride for all of Vietnam. Here's a small but very interesting fact. If you find yourself here on the weekend around 9 p.m., you can witness an incredible show. This dragon literally comes to life. It breathes real fire and blasts out huge plumes of water. But even now, in the daylight, it looks absolutely fantastic. Alright, let's walk it from end to end. Walking across the bridge is very comfortable. There's a fairly wide pedestrian zone here. Of course, an endless stream of bikes and cars is rushing past right next to us. This is Vietnam after all. The traffic never stops for a second, but there's enough room for everyone. Oh, take a look at the structure itself. The massive steel body of the dragon winds right over the roadway. Powerful pipes and cables hold this giant together, and the dragon's yellow color creates an incredibly bright contrast against the blue sky. Gorgeous. Friends, I'm going to insert a video now of how the bridge lights up at night. Take a look at this. From up here you get excellent panoramic views of the river and the city skyline. The river breeze is so refreshing. It makes walking here a total pleasure, even on a hot day. And here we are. We've reached the dragon's tail. We're on the other side. The walk didn't take long at all, but the impressions are just overwhelming. The Han River, the fresh breeze, the beautiful modern scenery, the romantic waterfront, and this incredible bridge. All of this makes Da Nang such a unique and attractive city for travelers. Thank you so much for keeping me company on this walk. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new episodes from Vietnam and other interesting places. And let me know in the comments, would you like to walk across this bridge and see it breathe fire? See you in the next video. Bye bye.